Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new to Brown Panda Beauty. Today I am doing this look right here, and this look was inspired by these two Essence lip colors that I saw at Farmers, and I wanted to get them. I wanted to use these two colors, or maybe just one color, into this look, but I've used both of them with this beautiful eyeshadow that I got from Bobbi Brown a little while ago. These are limited edition eyeshadows that they were selling, and I was lucky enough to get one because they are expensive. They're $74, I think, I'm not sure, or at that time. Anyway, so I got them, and this is the eyeshadow I've used on, and I really wanted to create a look with all these colors. I wanted to use the pinks and the golds and So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see more, keep on watching and I'll explain what I used, how I used, all that jazz. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing I'm going to go in is with my eye primer. This one here is by Urban Decay, called Eyeshadow Primer Potion Anti-Aging. I don't know if it works, but we'll go with that. Use my fingers and blend that out. Now I'm going to take my NARS concealer and conceal my eyes. I just put that primer on so that it will stop any movement of my concealer, even though I am going to set it with my powder. Just wanted to give like an extra layer of protection. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and blend it. Take my BYS translucent powder and set my eyes. Go in with my ColourPop palette right here. This is called Brown Sugar. It's really pretty with all the warm colors in here. So I'm gonna use these colors as my base and then top it off with my Bobbi Brown. The first shade I'm gonna go in is called Amber. It's right here. It's kind of like a salmony, orangey, peachy color. And this is going into my crease. So I'm trying to build up the color to the strength that I want. And once I get to the color pigment that I like on my eyes, or goes with my skin tone, I'll stop. So I like the strength, so all I'm doing is just blending it now, and I don't want to go more. I'm going to go in with this color called Chalk, and this is going to go all over my eyelid. I am going to concentrate that color on the outer corner more and kind of get into like a gradient finish towards the inner corner. In with this color right here, which is called Sorrel. Take the same brush, and this color is going into my crease, and I'm going to use this color to blend the darker color and that orangey color together. Take my NARS concealer again and cover my inner corner of my eye with my flat brush. Should kind of look like this. So now I'm going to use my Bobbi eyeshadow. It looks like this. This was a limited edition color, which is Luxe Eyeshadow Multichrome. This one is in color Incandescent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a beautiful pink sort of color with a little bit of gold iridescence. Looks like this. So I'm going to put this on the area that I've cleared. I'm gonna use a flat brush and go directly into the color and just pat on the product onto the empty area. I go in with my ColourPop palette again. This is the dark one that I used on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with this again and pack the color on top. Is put the color there because I am going to go in with a black and smoke it out. To give the illusion of my eyes being bigger than what they are, I am going to extend the eyeliner to the outer corner quite a bit. So to know the shape that I want, basically I would go in with my liquid eyeliner, put a line there, and then blend that out with a black so that it gives the illusion of bigger eyes, has a really nice crisp finish before I go in with my liquid liner again and then give me a beautiful wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with my liquid eyeliner, which is my Lakme one. See how big you want your eyes to look. I'm gonna go in quite straight with my eyeliner. And if your eyeliner is not straight enough, as long as you know how far you want to go out to make your eyes look big. Now I'm going to go in with the black. I am using my Thin Lizzy palette. I quite like the black in this one. It's so easy to play with and make it more stronger. It just blends out really nicely. So I'm going to go in with that one. It looks like this, and this is the black I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is pack the black on the outer corner of my eye and then blend it out. That eyeliner that I have drawn as a guideline to how far I want the black to be. You can kind of pull it out a bit more if you want, because you can always correct it with the eyeliner, or you can stick to where you have put it. I'm gonna try stick to as closely as possible to the line. What I'm doing is packing the color first. It looks a bit funny right now, but then I'm gonna blend it out. In the corner, I've packed the color quite a bit, so now I'm gonna go blend it. I'm gonna use a small eyeshadow brush. It's clean, so you don't have any product on there, and just blend that black with the rest of the eyeshadow. And I will make sure that I don't go too far from here and mix the color with my pink. So I'm just gonna try blend it where the color is. Stop blending now, and I'm gonna carry on doing my face, and then at the end I am going to do my eyeliner. I just want to clear all the dirt from here before I put my eyeliner on and see how more intense I want the colors to be. I quite like the way it looks right now, but I want to see the foundation, the whole finish, before I decide if I want to go intense or leave it the way it is. I have cleared all the fallout, and now I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Flash Balm. This is by Clarins. This will act like a primer as well as moisturizer for my skin. I have a little bit of pigmentation around my mouth. For some reason it's showing quite a bit, and dark under eye, so I am going to use my Bobbi Brown color corrector. This one is in Deep Peach, which is suitable for my skin color. You can pick the right color for your skin. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to use my finger and just put it on my discoloration. I do want this look to be quite glowy and nice, so I'm gonna go in with my Revolution. It's called Liquid Highlighter. I'm just gonna give me a nice highlight underneath my foundation, so go in. Take a flat brush and kind of spread that highlighter. Go in with my Estee Lauder foundation. This one is in Spice Sand, and the number is 4N2, N for Nelly. My beauty sponge. I'm going to highlight and conceal my under eyes. I'm going to use a NARS concealer. I'm going to take a small beauty sponge and blend translucent powder and bake my under eyes. I'm going to chisel my face as well. Keep the powder on my jaw too much. I'm gonna just take a fluffy brush and remove the powder. However, I am gonna leave the under eyes powder so that I can bake while I finish my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and draw the wing eyeliner on my eye before I finish my face. Basically, where I drew the line, this is my guideline to do the wing as well. See the intensity of my colors. I'm actually quite happy with the strength they have. Just feel it looks pretty good. I am just going to take my brush and just blend out any harsh lines that I see, just to make it nice and gradient. And yeah, fluffy brush and remove the powder. Finish my face, I will finish my eyes. Curling, I'm just using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Today I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals mascara here. This is called Lash Domination. This is a volumizing mascara, so I'm gonna test it out today. Looks like this. The one looks pretty good. Use the colors I used on the top of my eyelid on the bottom, not the sparkle one, just the browns that I used. I'm gonna go in with the orangey brown and the brown. I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is called Sorrel. I'm not going all the way into the inner corner, I'm just stopping just before I hit the inner corner. The darker chocolatey color, which is called Chalk, I'm gonna go just on the outer corner of my eye with the same pencil brush and just concentrating the color just on the outer corner. Go in with my mascara and do my lower lashes. While my mascara is drying, it's transferred. Anyway, while my mascara is drying, again, I'm gonna do my brows now. Can't look down because it's gonna transfer. Oh my gosh, can't look. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Bobbi brown pencil. Lashes. These are my favorite lashes, called Demi Wispies. These are glam enough to give you a beautiful lift if you've got heavier makeup, but soft enough if you want to wear them every day, sort of daytime look for natural lift that you need. These are amazing, so I'm going to use them today. I'm going to use my Bobbi brown palette. It has all these beautiful colors here. I'm going to use the contour color. Use my Tarte palette here. This one comes with highlighter and blushes. For blush, I'm going to use this color here, which is kind of like a pinky brownie sort of color. And the same palette, I'm going to use the highlighter as well. This is kind of like a goldeny highlighter. Step for this look is my lips, and for lips I'm going to use my Essence lipstick right here. It is a beautiful pink. It's inspired by India. It looks like this. It has a beautiful shimmer. And there's another color that I got, which is this one here. This is kind of like a brownie purple, and again similar sort of finish with a beautiful shimmer in it. And the brownie color that I've got just on the outer corner of my lips for a party sort of look. Now I'm going to take my MAC setting spray and I'm just going to spray my whole face, so this will set my makeup plus give it a beautiful glow. I'll take 2 seconds and I'll be right back. Do my hair, fix me a little bit so this look looks pretty. There you go, guys. This is the final look. I just straightened my hair because my hair is oily mess. I don't want to do too much with it, and I just added these earrings here. I bought them today. Yeah, so I thought I'll just add that little glam. But yeah, this is the final look. I'll show you a bit close up. This is what it looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, I love the lips. You can wear the lipstick, either the pink one or the maroon one, whichever one you want to wear, or you can mix them like this. I think I bought these lipsticks for $6 New Zealand or something like that. They're really cheap and they look really pretty. And the Bobbi brown eyeshadow that I have used as the main hero was, I should say, about $72. You can get something similar from so many different brands, so you don't have to get the same one. If you like the brand Bobbi Brown and you like their products like I do, then you can invest in something like that. They don't do the same one anymore, but they've got similar ones. So yeah, this is the look. Super easy. I would wear this even daytime or nighttime depending on what you're wearing, where you're going, who you're hanging out with. Yeah, so hope you guys had fun watching this video. Hope you found it helpful, entertaining. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy, be positive, and I will see you guys later. Bye.